Hey gamers, have you ever run into this problem? You pull off an amazing play in your game and try to record it, but the recording comes out choppy with such low FPS that it's painful to watch. Today, we're going to show you how to optimize your gaming PC for competitive FPS and how to make your recordings look just as smooth as your gameplay. The most straightforward way is to optimize PCs for gaming. Let's use Windows 10 11s as an example. Step 1. Adjust visual effects for best performance. Type adjust the appearance and performance of Windows in the search bar at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the pop-up window, select adjust for best performance, then click OK. Step 2. Defragment and optimize drives. Type defragment and optimize drives in the search bar at the bottom left corner of your computer. Select the drive you want to optimize, then click optimize. Step 3. Clean up disk. Search disk cleanup in the search bar and select the target drive in the pop-up window. Select the files you want to delete, then click OK. Step 4. Adjust display settings. Change the resolution of the display in the search bar, then click Advanced Display Settings. Adjust the refresh rate for smoother visuals. Step 5. Enable game mode and GPU scheduling. Enter game mode settings in the search bar and turn the game mode button on. Click Graphics Settings under the Game Mode button and turn on the Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling button. With these tweaks, your gameplay should feel noticeably smoother. But here's the problem. Even after optimizing your PC, recording your gameplay still comes with its own challenges. If the CPU or GPU isn't powerful enough, or if the cooling is poor, game FPS drops are almost inevitable. On top of that, there are too many parameters to juggle in both the game and recording software. Resolution, graphics quality, effects, spacing, etc., making it difficult to find the perfect balance. Moreover, even if your PC outputs high FPS, a low or mismatched refresh rate on the monitor makes the gameplay feel far less smooth. Also, don't ignore your ping. High latency is also blamed for low FPS and choppy experience. In short, it's almost impossible to get flawless gameplay and flawless recordings at the same time. That's where VidHex Frame Interpolation comes in. VidHex Frame Interpolation is an AI-powered tool designed to transform low frame rate videos into ultra-smooth, high FPS visuals. With advanced frame interpolation technology, VidHex automatically analyzes your footage and generates additional frames for seamless playback. You can boost video frame rates by 2 or 4, and even convert them to 60 FPS, 120 FPS, 240 FPS, or higher, perfect for gaming recordings, cinematic edits, or any type of video content. With VidHex, you'll never struggle with stuttering, laggy, or inconsistent playback. Again, experience truly fluid, high FPS videos effortlessly. Let's get hands-on. Step 1. Import your footage. Launch VidHex and drag your video into the interface, or hit the Add Files as button. Step 2. Choose Frame Interpolation Model. Select Frame Interpolation Model and choose your desired scale. Preview the results. Then hit Export Full Video to enhance your video. Step 3. Export the result. Wait for processing, or click Cloud Acceleration to speed it up. After these tweaks, your game and recorded videos should run noticeably smoother, and you'll enjoy a much better FPS experience. Time to test and dominate the game. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.